In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the important question from vectors and 3D geometry, which is given from in mains 2024. See, let a bar is equals to I plus 2j plus k bar and b bar is equals to 3 into I minus j plus k. Let c bar be the vector such that a cross c is equals to b bar. A cross c is equals to b bar and a dot c is equals to this is that 3. Now you have to find out that a dot c cross b minus b bar minus c bar is equals to how much? See, now you take it that what is that given vector? That is that a bar, this one is that a bar dot c bar cross b bar, c bar cross b bar minus b bar minus c bar. So this is that given one. Now here you know dot product is that distributive with dot product is the distributive. So you can write this one will be a bar dot c bar cross b bar, c bar cross b bar minus a bar dot b bar minus a bar dot c bar, okay. So this is that given values. Now you see here the first one you can write as this one is that box of a bar c bar b bar. This one is that box of a bar c bar b bar and next one is a minus a bar dot b bar, minus a bar dot c bar. Now you see what is that value of this one. Here by observing this one you can write it that first of all you understand here this one is that a dot c is already given in the question. A dot b is equals to how much? See, a dot b is equals to 1 into 3, that is that 3, 2 into minus 3 is that minus 6 and 1 into 3 is that plus 3. So totally this value will be equals to 0. So here we can write this one will be that is equals to box of a dot a bar c bar b bar minus this one is that a dot b is that 0 minus a dot c is equals to how much? That is equals to 3. So after this one we can write this value as b dot here you see a dot c cross b. This is nothing but a dot c cross b. So a dot c cross b minus 3. You see in that question you have that a cross c is equals to b bar is given. You know in that scalar triple product dot and cross can be interchanged. So according to that you can write that a cross c bar dot b bar, this is the same as that above. So this one is minus 3. Now a cross c is equals to how much is given? That is that b bar in the question. A cross c is equals to b bar is given in the question. So substitute in that value, that is equals to b bar dot b bar, that is b bar dot b bar minus 3. B bar dot b bar means modulus of b bar whole square minus 3. So what is that modulus of b bar value? So here you know that b bar is given as, here in that question b bar is given as that 3 into this one is that I cap minus j cap plus k cap. So what is that modulus of b bar value? Modulus of b bar will be equals to 3 into root 3. Okay, this is the modulus of b bar. Now substitute in this value, that is equals to modulus of b bar whole square is 27 minus 3. 27 minus 3 is equals to what? 24. So what is your final answer? 24 is the final answer. Okay, I hope that everyone is clear this problem. Okay, so next see that one more question in this model, we will see that one. Here is that, here is, let a bar and b bar be the two vectors such that modulus b bar is equals to 1 and modulus of b cross a is equals to 2. Then we have to find modulus of b cross a minus a b whole square. See very clearly what is that given. This one is that given one is that modulus of b cross a, modulus of b cross a minus b bar whole square. Now this is in the form of a bar modulus of a minus b whole square. Now you expand this value, modulus of b bar cross a bar, modulus of b bar cross a bar whole square plus modulus of b bar whole square and minus 2 into this one is that b bar cross a bar, b bar cross a bar dot a b bar. So you know this value is the last value will be equals to 0 because of a scalar triple product. If any two vectors are the equal, that value will be equals to 0. This value will be 0. Now what is the resultant value? Here modulus of b cross a. b cross a value how much is given? That is equals to 2 is given. 2 square is equals to, this one is the 2 square plus modulus of b bar is equals to how much is given? 1 is given. So this one is that 1 whole square. That is equals to, this value is that 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. So final result will be equals to 5 is the correct answer. B is the correct option. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.